Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So in today's video, as you may have noticed from the title, I am actually going to be reviewing this month's Boxycharm box. I know it's a little bit different from what I typically do on my channel, but I started my subscription with them last year and I just thought it would be cool, fun to kind of review it myself as I get it every month. I pay for my subscription. These aren't sent to me for free or anything like that. I just figured I would share each month's little gifts and I guess my personal thoughts on them. I have already gone through the products and tried them out. In fact, I have a couple of them on right now. And that's kind of how I want to do it moving forward, is trying the products and letting you know my thoughts about them. Let's get started. The first thing in February's box is this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is my personal favorite mascara ever. Like, I love this mascara so much. So when I found out that I was getting this mascara full size, as you can see in this month's box, I was so happy. Like, I was just happy alone with this item. I have yet to find a better mascara that I love more than this one. And there are other mascaras that I do love and enjoy, but this one by far is my favorite. And the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is valued at $24 for the full size. So the month subscription is $21, so you're already getting a really good deal in just one item. So the next thing I got in my box was this Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter. And I don't know if you can see that. I also have, ooh, look at that glow. I also have this highlighter on and I love it. This is my first time trying anything from Pretty Vulgar and I am so happy with it. I mean, look at that shimmer. I love it. It's not too crazy, but it's crazy enough. Kind of like me. This retails at $32. So again, this alone is worth more than your monthly subscription, and in my opinion, totally worth it. The next item that I received in my box is the No Poreblem primer, and this is by Touch in Soul. So I typically don't use primer too much. I do sometimes, you know, it just depends. I've tried this primer 3 times now and I love it. I actually feel like it smoothes out my pores for real. I've tried things that say they're gonna smooth out your pores and it just doesn't quite work. But this actually works. Like, I was so amazed the first time looking in the mirror after I put my foundation on, after I had applied the primer and then put my foundation on, how smooth my skin looked. So this is definitely a win for me. The retail value of this primer is $18. The next thing that I received in my box was this Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. Let me tell you, this cream smells so delicious. It smells like cake batter and maybe even coconut. I don't know, but it just smells so good. Just a fair warning, it is a fairly strong scent, so depending, you know, some people might find it overbearing, but I love it so much. It's creamy, it's smooth. I love it. And this is actually a body cream. I love it so much. And I love smelling like this. It also makes my skin really soft, so definitely a plus. And this body cream retails at $20. The final product that I received in my box is this Nudestix eye cream or eye color. It's their magnetic luminous eye color, and it's in the color copper foil. I'm actually wearing this on my eyelids. I don't know if you can tell, but it glides on really easy and it actually stays on. So this, I did read the description and it says that it's blendable, and I did not notice that it was blendable at all. Like I couldn't really blend it out like that. Maybe I wasn't trying hard enough, I don't know. But honestly, the way that it applied, it was perfect. I like the way that it is. Like, I just wanted to kind of blend out the edges a little bit more, which I was able to do, but not as much as the description implies, you know, that it's super blendable. But it definitely feels like it's gonna stay put for the whole day. But I do like it, and I would definitely buy more colors because I'm happy with the effect. I just didn't feel that it was blendable. That's all. This retails at $24. The all-in-all total value of this month's Boxycharm that I got was $118. Again, the subscription is $21. There are several items in the box that were worth more than the subscription itself. So this month, I am so happy with all of the items that I got. Totally worth it to me. I feel, like I said, I was just happy with the mascara alone because that's my favorite mascara, and I already knew that it cost more than the subscription box, so that alone to me was totally worth it. So that concludes today's video. I hope that you like this video, and please let me know if you want to keep seeing more videos like this. I think I'm going to keep it going for a while. Let's see what you guys think. If you enjoyed watching this, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more from me, you already know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below. And of course, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the love, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.